Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you through a really quick tutorial of Mathigon. So Mathigon is a free math website that can be used for grades 6 through 12. Mathigon is broken down into 4 sections: courses, polypad, activities, and for teachers. In the courses section, it is broken down into 3 different levels: foundations, intermediate, and advanced, based on grade. And then each level is further breaking down into math topics like geometry and transformations and symmetry. The resources in this section are interactive and engaging, and they also have an auditory feature that takes you through the content. So here's an example. And you can just hit play here and it will read it to you. The only downfall about this section is that a lot of the content is not available because it is currently being developed. So the polypad is the second section, and it allows students to interact with different digital manipulatives like fraction bars and number tiles. So here's the number tiles, and you just drag and drop them. It's really easy to use. The activity section offers different games, flashcards, and puzzles and problems, along with other things. In the For Teachers section, it highlights free webinars, free student activities and teaching ideas, and the ability to track student progress through the teacher dashboard, where students can save their work from Polypad 2. Thanks for listening.